Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I know I said I was gonna make beef stew, but I always end up doing something else. I should probably stop promising. But for today we're gonna be making breaded chicken. Yeah, breaded chicken. Okay, I thought I said it wrong. First of all, I don't even know how to do this like I usually do. I'm just gonna do it how I think you're supposed to do it, and we'll see at the end how it ends up coming out. Okay, first I think what you're supposed to do is like dip it in this and the egg Just get it on both sides. Let it wait for the drip to stop, and I'm gonna put it in the flour. And I think you're supposed to do it again in the egg wash. And then I'm gonna do it on the breadcrumbs. Oh crap, I forgot to wait for the drip. Okay, now the part that makes it good. Okay, now let me move everything. Oh yeah, by the way, I also forgot to say, like I usually do, I seasoned it just with salt and black pepper. Nothing else, because you don't want it to overpower the breading taste. Okay, now let's make sure nothing's falling. Put it in the pan. This is a pretty smooth transition. My fingers with all that bread. Let me higher the heat. And we'll be back when I have to flip it. Okay, you can smell the crispiness right now. So I'm just gonna flip it. I don't think it needs to be flipped. I'm just gonna flip it just so you guys can see with the top. Oh, that looks beautiful. Smells good too. Smells like home. I'm not gonna say this is how my mom prepared it, but it smells like how my mom prepared it. Okay, well, we'll be back when we have the finished product. Okay, everybody, as you can see, the steak is done. It smells really good. Let me put more in the frame. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it open. Well, you can hear that. Hold on. This is the reason why I had it this side up. A little overcooked. Perfectly white. Let's see. Oh, I bit my teeth. It's kind of like chicken nuggets, but let's see if you guys could hear it from here. Yep, this is basically how it came out. It came out really good. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 probably. If I would have not overcooked it, would have probably tasted better. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.